Hi, and welcome back. So this time, let's study string interpolation. And the best way to learn string interpolation is by doing some examples on how to write it in C Sharp. To start with our examples, open your Visual Studio and create a new Visual C Sharp project. I have already created my project, so this time, let's try to put into practice how to do string interpolation. So let's say we have this variable, string title, and then another string here, just a small letter S, not a capital letter S, because string with small letter S pertains to data type, while the string capital letter pertains to the class. This string with small letter S and this string with capital letter S are different. Small string refers to the data type, and then big S string refers to string class. Okay, so make sure that you have used small letter string. Okay, then we will write here. So we have two string variables. The first one is title and contains a value of John Wick 4. And then another string variable named actor that contains a value of Keanu Reeves. So this time, let's try to perform string interpolation. What we will do is to write a console here, and then we will state here the movie played by is a great one. So we have written here the movie with a placeholder of 0 and enclosed with curly braces, played by another placeholder 1 with curly braces, and then we will interpolate, so meaning we have to substitute this using these string variables, using these two string variables. For the first one, that will take the place of 0, we will give it the title variable. And then for the second placeholder, which is 1, we'll give this the actor variable. Okay, so there you go. And then let's see what will be the effect of this. Okay, so there you go. Let's try comparing our codes to the result of our console. So we have here the movie John Wick 4. So the movie 0 and 0 is the title. What is the title? Title contains John Wick 4. So the movie 0 is John Wick 4, played by Keanu Reeves. What is Keanu Reeves? Keanu Reeves is the actor, and Keanu Reeves was placed in the placeholder 1. Okay, it's a great one. So this is one way of string interpolation. Another example of string interpolation is by using the plus symbol. Okay, let's try using the plus symbol, just like with your mathematics. So the movie plus title plus played by plus the actor plus is a great one. And then there you have it. So the movie plus the title played by the actor is a great one. So it will just add the value of the string to this string, so it will become the movie John Wick 4 played by Keanu Reeves is a great one. So let's see this in action. Okay, so same effect with the previous examples that we had. The movie John Wick 4 played by Keanu Reeves is a great one. Okay, so this is the second way of doing string interpolation. Let's have another example. I'm going to comment this out, and this time I'll be using the string class. Then I'm just going to put this inside of parentheses. Okay, so a string class has the format method, which basically gives you the same effect of our first example. It assumes for a placeholder, just like these curly braces, and then the values that will take the place of those placeholders. Okay, so let's give this a try. Okay, same effect. Okay, we have the same output, but we have a different approach. Okay, let's have another way of interpolating strings. So this time I'm just going to copy and paste our first example, but this time instead of using numbers, I'll be using the variable itself, title, and then actor. But we have to remove this one. And then let's see what will be the effect of this. So the movie title, so it did nothing. So it literally prints those strings, including the placeholders that we are expecting something will be different. Okay, but the only thing that we have to do here is to add the dollar sign in front of our string value. So adding the dollar sign will change the color of our placeholder for title as well as the placeholder for actor. So this means that we are now referring to the title variable and to the actor variable. So let's see this in action. So there you go. The movie John Wick 4, played by Keanu Reeves, is a great one. Okay, so we were able to perform string interpolation using different methods. The first one is by using the placeholder. The second one is by using the plus symbol. And then the third one is by using the string.format with placeholders. And then the last one is by using the dollar sign. That's all for this video, and see you in the next lectures.